everyone, I'm Deborah. Welcome to my channel, and today I'm here with Oliver. He's usually around when I'm doing my unboxings. I normally do clothing or like fashion related unboxings, but every now and then we do a Barkbox. Mason is here.
Hello.
He's on break from LSU, and he's the one Oliver loves the most. So let's see what's in our box. Last month was Grinch, like Christmas related. What is
He's
this?
smelling.
He knows it's for him. Snuggler's Pup.
What this is.
Winter Walkies. Snuggles, pups, and I don't know what that says. Just some of the animals that are available now. What does that say? It's like a little game.
Yeah, it's like a little game. Oh, he went and got this.
Oh, it's a campfire. How cute.
It's like it's chestnuts roasting over the open fire.
Oh, that's cute. He's gonna like that.
Oh, it's a fox.
Oh, how cute.
Oh, look at the tail. It's all crinkly.
Oh, yeah. It won't take him long to... Oh, he's not even gonna let me show that. Can I have it, Oliver? Can I have it? That is... Look, he's wearing a scarf. That is really cute. And of course, there's always treats.
Whoa.
There's usually a couple of toys and some treats. This is Butcher's Block Bones. Well, he will love that.
Bjorns.
Bjorn.
Bacon and goat cheese bites.
Oh my goodness. Well, that sounds good. Let's rip them open.
Okay.
And let him try them. You want one, Oliver? Of course he does.
That was bad.
Oh, they're big. Oliver, sit. Good boy.
That was not much of a trick. You have to do more than that for me.
Okay.
Oliver.
So let me show these. Okay, the other treats are Anya's lamb yummies.
He didn't even eat it. Look, he's just chewing on it.
It looks like it's a big treat. It'll last we'll take a little bit to chew it up. And these are, oh look, these are heart-shaped treats. Cute. Here, when he finishes that one.
I already got one.
Okay. And let me show you what these look like. They're pretty big.
They're hard to eat, apparently.
He's still working on it.
He's got some left in his paw. Here. Oliver, look. Oliver, hey. Jump. I wasn't about to jump. Sit.
He's on the bed.
Down. Roll over. Roll over. Up. Sit. He's a little too excited. Okay, just give me a shake. Just give me a shake. He's a good boy.
And here's the paper that came with it. It says Winter Walkies. Cute. All right, well, that is the box for December. If you want to try Barkbox for your dog, I will have a link below. It's $20 a month, but you pay all up front, which I think it's a little more if you pay for only like 1 month or 6 months at a time, but we got a year's worth, which ended up being $20 a month. Thanks for watching today. Give us a thumbs up if you liked this video and subscribe below to see more.